everybody, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so how is your day and how has your week been going? Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great ingredient that would actually help you unblock your tube. And hold on, this is actually a natural drink, and trust me, this is a very wonderful and very powerful drink that would actually help you to unblock your tube, except it is tied. That is when this is not going to work. But if it is not tied, or if it is not cut off, okay, this is going to be effective. Now, in as much as you expect it to work, you would have to be consistent in taking it, just like I will direct you in the video. Okay, so that's it guys, let me take you right into this video. Okay, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and let's go. Okay guys, so do you feel the need to take something? Maybe you're feeling like okay, it has actually been long and you want to unblock your probably blocked fallopian tube and also heal some swollen ovaries. In that way, it's going to help you in terms of getting pregnant, because when your ovaries are swollen and your fallopian tube is blocked, there is no way the cells will go and meet each other. Okay, so what you're going to be needing here is this, and this is gloves. So you're going to be needing some good amount of gloves in this particular treatment, and having the need to wash my gloves because I feel it's dusty and I need to remove some of the dust. Yeah, alright, so this is the gloves, and what you're going to be needing here is hot water. So you're going to be putting a little bit of hot water into those gloves, and then you allow it sit for it to fuse in, and then remove the color. Okay, so we're going to allow it sit. We're going to be keeping it for a little while, let it sit. Yeah, and then after that we're going to be needing to use ginger. Ginger is a great and amazing ingredient when it comes to unblocking your blocked fallopian tube and calming the sullenness of the ovaries. It helps so much for the body. It also helps to reduce and diminish all unwanted fats. Okay, now maybe you would have to take it, if not for unblocking your fallopian tube, you can also take it to shrink fibroid, or you can take it to remove some stubborn belly fat. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna peel this. Now after peeling this, then we're going to be cutting it into pieces. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting the ginger, and then I'll have to sanitize it, like wash the ginger. This way, and then I'll get a blender and put it in there. I'm going to be putting a little bit of water, okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing to use some garlic. Now garlic is actually a very good medicine for the body. It does a whole lot of things. Now when you mix it up with the gloves and other ingredients that I'm here to show you, it's going to help in terms of unclogging or unblocking your fallopian tube and healing those ovaries. Yeah, it equally helps to heal the body and flush out toxins. So it doesn't just do one thing, but it does a whole lot of stuff in the body and makes you healthy. Okay, so what we'll do now is that we're going to be peeling this garlic. So I'm not going to be taking too much of garlic. At least 3 cloves of garlic is literally what I will be needing. Okay guys, so after peeling it, I'm gonna be turning it into the blender. Alright guys, here I have my garlic and ginger, and now I would have to be putting in the cloves into this blender. In fact, let me pour in all the water. So the first thing I did, I soaked the glove for a little while so it could be soft, and then I poured it in. So in here I have garlic, ginger and clove. Now it's time to blend. Alright guys, so after blending, this is how it's gonna be looking like, and I'm gonna be turning this into this cup. Now the next ingredient you are gonna be needing is turmeric. Now turmeric is a great spice that helps so much for belly fat, for the skin, and it also helps when it comes to that. Okay, so it's going to help you so much in unclogging any clog tubes. Okay, and you really need this a whole lot. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be putting in just a little of this turmeric, just about half of a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay guys, so after mixing this up really good, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to sieve it out. So get a strainer, and I will sieve out the particles. Now you can actually make this particular juice and you store it inside your refrigerator. Okay, yeah guys, so this is it. This is actually something that you can actually take in the morning. Now there is another thing I would love to show you, but you have to take this very early in the morning, very early in the morning, without taking any other food. Okay, that's when you know the miracle of this is gonna work. And if you don't want to blend your gloves, you can actually soak it overnight or 2 nights, you know, before preparing this. Okay, that way it's going to come out really well and become very brownish. All right, so what you also need is hot water. Now you have to get a hot water, and then you have to put in a little bit of salt into your hot water. Okay, and then make sure that the salt dissolves. And then now as the vapor of this hot water comes out, you have to sit over it, okay, not in it, okay. Don't let your body touches the water. You just sit over it, and then the vapor, the heat of this hot water would actually get into you. That is actually going to help, okay. Alongside with this, when you steam, you would also drink. So when you're done steaming in the morning, or when you're done drinking your juice, then you can go steam yourself very well. It's going to help a whole lot. It kills bacteria, and it helps for tightening you up, literally, as a woman, and it also helps to keep you clean and neat, smell great. So you drink this every morning, very early in the morning, for at least 1 week, and I'm sure this is actually going to help you in terms of unblocking your blocked fallopian tube and calming the sullenness of your ovaries, therefore helping you in terms of getting pregnant and all of that. I wish you good luck even as you do this, yeah. So that's it. Go give this a go. Drink this just like I've instructed. Well, it's something that we ladies have to just give it a try. I know that, you know, when it comes to pregnancy is actually from God, but God actually gave us the wisdom to be able to, you know, plus one and take. And God gave doctors the wisdom to be able to manufacture medicine for us to drink. So don't say, oh, I know, but we have to give it a try and take those healthy things that would actually help us in achieving our aim, basically. Alright, so that's it. Go give this drink a try, and I'm sure it's going to help you to unblock your tube, and you're definitely going to be a mommy very soon, yeah, that's it. Yeah, so if you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.